Hello, so my name is Regina Masita, and I'm going to speak about my teaching philosophy, which I'll use to compare with cooking. Like cooking is an art, I believe also teaching is a form of art. So my philosophy as a teacher can be categorized into many different things. So basically, I'm going to use this video to show the process of cooking and input how I compare it to teaching. So the first step, of course, is to create a suitable environment for cooking. So I'll compare it to the classroom environment where we each create a good environment for the students where each one of us can be comfortable and be able to learn. So first, you gather all the resources together that are required for teaching or for cooking. In this case, as the lecturer, I will have all the resources that I require to input you with the right knowledge. Also, as students, you're required to have the right resources that will enable you to learn. So prepare well for the class prior to class. That means before any task that you're doing, you should make sure that you have all your resources in check and you're planning well. As you can see, I have different spices that I'm using in the cooking. So the different spices can be compared to the different characteristics, the different values, and the different people that we have in the class. In my case, I could try and explain the different spices that we have with the different values and the different cultures that we have in class. For instance, diversity could be represented by ginger, black pepper could represent openness in relationship, paprika, a sense of community, mixed herbs, reliability and consistency, and garam masala participation, and of course picking chicken time. So basically, these are the things that I expect to have in the classroom. Openness, I expect an open class where you feel like it's a sense of community, reliability, and of course diversity in the class, and openness, because it's very important for me to have a place where everyone can communicate, everyone can feel included, participation is key, and the mode of delivery should be one-to-one, ratio one-to-one, where we can all learn from each other. Yes. So in another aspect, I would like to also look at the mode of cooking and how the different spices tend to come together. So that shows that there is creativity, there is diversity, and there is a blend of different human beings, different cultures, all coming together to ensure that common purpose is achieved in the classroom. So it's important to also get the feedback of all the individuals in the class. Prior to preparing this meal, I did not want to prepare this, but I considered the whole family and I considered everyone in the class. So we need to respect each other and consider and respect each other's decisions and opinions based on the research that's put in place. So also, when I was shooting the video, I had a couple of bloops. But I didn't stop. I kept moving forward. So that also shows that in classroom, you may have some problems that are encountering, but it's just important for one to step up from those problems, talk to one another, talk to me, so that we can be able to solve those problems. And finally, we can talk about the presentation. So the presentation after the meal was ready, you evaluate. Of course, you have to give it a taste to see whether the meal was good. Also, you have to present it well and present it with professionalism. In class, we all have to carry ourselves in an appropriate manner that everyone can be able to relate with, and also we can be able to interact and create a fun environment for ourselves. The meal turned out very well, and the same way I'm preparing you for this class, I expect you to all be ready for the workplace, or if you're planning to teach after, to be ready to speak in front of people and to be able to include diversity. Looking forward to working with you. Have a good time. Thank you.